What's up, guys? Let's talk about a scale. A scale has nothing to do with a note, but has a lot to do with groups of notes. You see, a scale is a group of notes that are arranged either by ascending or descending order of pitch. A pitch has to do with the highness or lowness of sound. When you play from the left to the right, the pitch becomes higher. Hope you know that. And when you are playing from the right to the left, the pitch becomes, softer. A scale has to do with group of notes. Types of scale. To mention few, we have the major scale, we have the minor scale, and the chromatic scale. But we are going to talk on only the major scale. A major scale consists of 7-letter alphabets, with the first repeated at the last, which makes it 8. The first letter determines the name of that major scale. 7-letter alphabet with the first repeated at the end, which makes it 8. Now, the first letter determines the name of the scale. This is the C major scale. You see, the C major scale is seen as perfect. That's because the tones and semitones are well arranged, are perfect in order. The key C major scale is seen as perfect, and it is used as a measure to start up other major scale. The reason is this: the tones and semitones are in order when it comes to the C major scale. It is said that the key C is seen as perfect, and it is used as a measure to start up other major scales. So, let us see how the tones and semitones are arranged in the key C major scale. To start with, from C to D, a tone or semitone, you skip a key to get to D, it is a tone. From D to E, is it a semitone or tone? You skip a key to get to this. That is, it is a tone. E and F is a semitone. F and G, you skip a key to G, it's a tone. G and A, you skip a key to get to A, it's a tone. A and B, you jump a key to play B, it is a tone. B and C is a semitone. Correct? So, our formula to set up other major scale: tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Can I hear you say that? Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. To construct a new major scale, we have to divide the scale into 2 equal groups. This is the first and this is the second. You know what? Half of it is called a tetrachord. This is the lower tetrachord, and this is the upper tetrachord. To form a new major scale, you bring this one here and this other part to the other side. So what do you think we'll have? G, A, B, and C. You omit one. D, E, F, and you repeat the first, G. This is it. Remember, I said something, that the first letter represents the name of that scale. So this is an incomplete scale of G. Do you know why? You need to cross-check if this is correct. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That is the only way. Now let's fix the G scale on top of it. This is my G, right? A, B, C, D. This is what I'm writing. E, F, and G. You already know your. Let's apply this. Okay? For confirmation, G to A, is it a tone or a semitone? It's a tone, correct. We are going for this. A, B, is it a tone or semitone? It's a tone, correct. B to C, is it a tone or semitone? It is a semitone, correct. We are in for this. C to D, is it a tone or a semitone? It is a tone, correct. D to E, is it a tone or a semitone? It is a tone, correct. E, E to F, is it a tone or a semitone? In this part, it is a semitone, but here it is a tone. And this is what we want. This is what we really want. Here is a semitone. To make this a tone, we have to sharpen the F, which means this will not be our F. You see, you sharpen it to make it a tone, which is correct now. F sharp to G is what? It's a semitone, correct. So this is it. Do you understand this? This is your key G, complete G major scale. This is your G major scale. You play this on the piano, what you get is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is our formula. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. To construct a new major scale, you have to group this into two equal parts. The upper tetrachord, you bring it to this side and the lower to the other side. Then you go and look for the tones and semitones, put it in order.